Hello everyone. Yanni here from EagleMMS. We have a special product announcement to make. We have developed a conglomerated averages model of EagleMMS called GenEagle. This allows users to run a materials report and generate a minimum, maximum, and weighted average for every material type associated with the repair without the need for onboardings, subscriptions, or the input of a specific inventory. This model aggregates data from tens of thousands of part numbers across a wide variety of manufacturers and has an even more simplified user interface. Simply visit us online at EagleMMS.com, hit GenEagle, get started, and put in your email address. The system will then send you a one-time login code, and you're into the system. You can get started on your repair order by inputting a VIN, selecting a body style, a paint code, and you could select an average of pricing data across all paint lines or pick a specific paint line from one of the 5 major manufacturers, and any other refinish operations you have to select, what panels are affected, as well as what level of work is being performed on them. And then all you have to do is select the substrate material for panels being replaced, as well as repair time for any repaired panels. You can input your customer information, and then after you complete the form, you will get your generic averages model. If you look here, it's presenting a minimum, maximum range, as well as a weighted average across the entire database for base coats, primers, sealers, clears, activators, reducers, cleaning agents, as well as an assortment of abrasives, detailing products, body materials, fillers, glazes, cartridges, and aerosols. We developed GenEagle for 3 primary reasons. First, for shops that want to try Eagle Materials invoicing and estimation without the full commitment of our subscription and onboarding process, you may now do so for only $19 a report. Secondly, for all other parties in the collision industry that may need to settle the materials portion of a claim without a specific inventory at hand, including third-party appraisal services, RTA settlements, and any other appraisers for that matter. And lastly, for our existing users, to establish their own materials invoice relative to industry averages in order to facilitate the settlement of claims with better data and information regarding necessary materials and associated list prices and ranges. GenEagle will be included at no additional cost per use for existing subscribers. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.